Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to open an Ally Bank spending account. If you don't have an Ally account, we've included a link below for you to sign up. We will also share some bonus resources in the description below, to help you grow and manage your business efficiently. Let's dive right in. Once you clicked on our link, you will be redirected to this page. Click on Open Account to get started. After that, click on Open New Account. Next, you have to choose the option that describes you the best by clicking on it. Then click on Continue. After that, select the account type you wish to open. From the options provided, click on the option you wish to choose. Then, scroll down a little. In the field provided, you could enter the amount you wish to deposit, but it is only optional and you could just add funds later. Next, under Account Options, choose the extras you want to include. By default, the free debit card option is selected. You can also choose to receive Ally standard checks or enable overdraft transfer service by clicking on the check boxes beside them. Then click on Add this account. Next, review your account selection. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, click on Next Step. To move forward, you need to confirm that you're a U.S. citizen or currently residing in the U.S. If you are, click on the checkbox below, then click Continue. Next, on this page, fill out all the information needed such as your first and last name, birth date, social security number, mother's maiden name, occupation, country of citizenship, email, phone number, and home address. After entering all the information needed, click on Next. Then on this page, review the account owner details. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, click on Next Step. Before you could submit your application, read first the consent to receive information electronically. Read through the information provided, then click on Agree and Continue. Next, read and review the request for taxpayer identification number and certification. Once read and reviewed, click on Certify and Continue. After that, you also have to verify that you have read and understood all the Ally Bank agreements and notices. To proceed, click on the checkbox, then click on Submit Application. Lastly, follow the on-screen instructions on how you could deposit money on your Ally spending account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.